We are here at Bannan in Finland, visiting our customer Amada Automation Europe, which is part of the global Amada group.
Amada is one of the world's leading manufacturers of high-technology metalworking machinery, such as bending machines, punch presses, and laser cutting machines. In 2022, Amada decided to renew its surface treatment line, including blast cleaning system.
For Amada, key requirements for this project was standard high quality and safety, and with the Blastman solution, they got them both. Meet the Blastman B16XS robots. Compact, powerful, part of the high-performance robotics of Generation 4. These robots are specifically designed for overhead conveyors, but yet flexible enough to use with other transport methods.
In this configuration, two wall-mounted B16XS robots perfectly harmonize with the overhead conveyor system to produce a smooth, high-quality blasting process with maximum efficiency. Thanks to its slim profile, the B16XS is perfect for retrofitting existing manual blasting chambers. It minimizes installation space without sacrificing functionality.
This robotic system is fully automated and managed by our offline tool called Blastman Studios. This gives customer full control of the process with minimal downtime.
Let's walk through the blasting process. First, the customer loads the workpiece onto the overhead conveyor directly from production. The conveyor positions the part inside the blast chamber. The operator selects the blasting program via the robot interface, and two B16XS robots execute it precisely and automatically. Once approved, the part moves to masking and then to painting.
The result is an intelligent, space-saving solution which will bring your blast cleaning process into today's standards. With the Blastman robotic solutions, the production output doubled.
Blastman delivered to Amada complete turnkey solution with simplified project-based planning, all through a single partner.
We have a safe and efficient process, and we are satisfied with the cooperation with Blastman.
When two industry leaders come together, success is guaranteed.